magic experiment.
And
Its name is capillary action. For this I am using 2 glasses of water. For this I am adding primary colors of red and yellow color.
yeah, so
And empty glass and 2 tissue papers. First I take 1 tissue paper. Take another paper. Now let's see the magic. Come back to my channel. After 3 hours, see the magic. Color water will flow to the empty glass. With a little bit of magic called capillary action, SLCD, adult C4, with the paper towel and water, more powerful than the force inside in the water itself. This results in the paper towel full in the water. Water keeps traveling up the paper towel across the zigzag into the other cup. ಈಗ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೂಲಭೂತವಾಗಿ ಕಾಗದದ ಟವಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೀರಿನ ನಡುವಿನ ಅಂಟಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಬಲವು ನೀರಿನೊಳಗಿನ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಟವಲ್ ನೀರನ್ನು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎಳೆಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನೀರು ಪೇಪರ್ ಟವಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇತುವೆಯ